Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Latin in All. I am Shantanu Kumar Yadav. Today we are going to discuss vaccine and its production. Before the starting this lecture, we have to understand that what is the importance of vaccine. When we're talking about importance of the vaccine, there is so many chemical molecules which secure our the future life. Vaccine is one of them. Vaccination is one of the most effective way to prevent disease. Vaccine active our immune system without making us sick. Many dangerous infectious diseases can be prevented in this simple and effective way. Nowadays, we are suffering from a pandemic situation. For the resolving of pandemic situation, vaccine is a permanent solution. We have new update. 120 potential vaccine candidates have been proposed globally, and WHO track it, right? And they found seven candidate vaccine means seven candidate vaccines are already in clinical evaluation means their trial in human, and 82 vaccine are in preclinical trial. It means trial in animals. That is a big achievement for the fighting of COVID-19. Now talking about the contribution of India in the production of vaccine. The regional director of WHO, Dr. Khetapal Singh said India, Indonesia, Thailand are among the world's largest vaccine manufacturers. Every day, millions of people of all ages are provided life-saving protection by vaccine produced in these three countries. They said, yes, the COVID-19 is a unique challenge, but I certain that through collaboration and innovation, we can produce a vaccine faster than ever before, while maintaining all the standard which is used in the production of vaccine. As per the current situation, the maximum scientists work in the development of vaccine. As that manner, Italian scientists claims to have developed vaccine that neutralize coronavirus in human cell. As per test conduct at Rome Infectious Disease, the coronavirus vaccine has antibody generated in mice that work also in human cell. All of the vaccine candidates currently being developed are based on the genetic material DNA protein. A spike. A spike is a type of protein which is present in virus. It has affinity to bind the cell of human. What is vaccine? Vaccine is a type of antigen. This is a killed or weakened form of virus or bacteria which train our body to recognize and fight the disease if we encounter it in the future, right? Which help to boost our immune system. In this means they help vaccine to work better. There are so many chemical ingredients added in vaccine for the better efficacy and safety, right? We can add preservative stabilizer for the storage and transportation. Now, what is vaccination? Vaccination is one of the most effective way to prevent disease. A vaccine help to body immune system to recognize and fight pathogen like virus and bacteria. वैक्सीन सबसे इफेक्टिव वे है टू प्रिवेंट डिजीज और ये क्या करता है हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को रिकॉग्नाइज करता है एंड फाइट करता है पैथोजन से चाहे वो पैथोजन वायरस हो या बैक्टीरिया हो then keeps us safe from disease, right? After that they keeps us safe so many disease like tetanus, diphtheria, meningitis, influenza, etc. How does vaccine work? First of all, they recognize inviting germs such as bacteria and virus and they produce antibodies. Antibodies are protein produced naturally the immune system to fight disease. Remember the disease and how to fight it. If we are exposed to germ in the future, our immune system can quickly destroy it before you become unwell, so that it is safe and clever way to produce an immune system respond in the body without causing illness. थोड़ा और क्लियर करते हैं कि वैक्सीन कैसे वर्क करता है। हमें पता है कि वैक्सीन क्या होता है, एक टाइप का एंटीजन है। क्या है? एंटीजन है। इसे हम इंड्यूस करते हैं बाय द इंजेक्शन एंड इन ओरल फॉर्म, राइट। हम बॉडी में इसको इंड्यूस कर गए। इंड्यूस करने के बाद हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम एक्टिवेट हो जाता है। हमारा क्या होता है, इम्यून सिस्टम जब एक्टिवेट हो जाती है तो जो ऑल दी प्रोसेस जो हुआ इम्यून सिस्टम को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए, जो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम का एक पार्ट होता है वो होता है मेमोरी सेल, राइट। ये मेमोरी सेल क्या करता है, जो प्रोसेस हुआ इम्यून सिस्टम को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए, एंटीबॉडी को जनरेट करने के लिए, इसको ये मेमोराइज कर लेता है, राइट। मेमोराइज करने के बाद अगर फर्दर फ्यूचर में इस टाइप का एंटीजन जो हमारे बॉडी में अटैक करेगा तो ये क्या होगा, जो मेमोरी सेल है वो उसे रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेगा कि इस टाइप का एंटीजन जो हमारे बॉडी में अटैक किया, हमें पता है इसे कैसे फाइट किया जाए, राइट। जब हमें पता होगा इसे कैसे फाइट किया जाए, इसके अगेंस्ट जो मेमोरी सेल होगा वो एंटीबॉडी जनरेट करेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम। तो एंटीबॉडी जनरेट करेगा तो जो जो जर्म होगा, जो भी एंटीजन जो हमारे अटैक किया उसे वो किल करेगा और फर्दर फ्यूचर में हमें इन्फेक्शन होने से बचाएगा वो पार्टिकुलर डिजीज से, पार्टिकुलर एंटीजन से। वी फर्दर कोरिलेट विथ कोरोना वायरस। ये एंटीजन है कोरोना वायरस का, ये वैक्सीन मान लो फ्यूचर में प्रिपेयर हो गया, राइट। इसे हमने इंड्यूस किया इन ह्यूमन सेल। जब ह्यूमन सेल में इसे इंड्यूस किया गया तो क्या हुआ, एंटीबॉडी एक्टिवेट हुआ। क्या हुआ, एंटीबॉडी एक्टिवेट हुआ। जब एंटीबॉडी एक्टिवेट हुआ तो जो हमारा मेमोरी सेल है, जो एंटी इम्यून सिस्टम का ही पार्ट है, वो क्या हुआ, रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिया कि किस प्रोसेस के थ्रू हमने एंटीबॉडी बनाया। अगर फ्यूचर में इसी टाइप का एंटीजन मान लो कोरोना वायरस अटैक करता है तो मेमोरी सेल क्या करेगा, एंटीबॉडी को एक्टिवेट करेगा, क्योंकि इसे पता है कि एंटीबॉडी को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए हमें कौन सी प्रोसेस से गुजरना है। जब ये एंटीबॉडी एक्टिवेट करेगा तो वो क्या करेगा, किल कर देगा एंटीजन को। जब एंटीजन को किल कर देगा तो हम प्रॉब्लम से रिजॉल्व हो जाएंगे। अभी तक जो मार्केट में वैक्सीन आ चुका है वो है सर्वाइकल कैंसर का वैक्सीन आ चुका है, सर्वाइकल कैंसर, कोरोना, डिप्थेरिया, हेपेटाइटिस, इन्फ्लुएंजा एंड सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स। हमें पता है कि वैक्सीन इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव वे टू प्रिवेंट डिजीज इन द फ्यूचर। नाउ वी हैव क्वेश्चन, व्हेन should we vaccinated? Vaccines protect us throughout life and different age, from birth to childhood, as teenager and into old age. In most country, you will be given a vaccination card that tells you when of vaccines you or your child, right? And when the next vaccines or booster does are due, it is important to make sure that all these vaccines are up to date, right? If we delay vaccination, we are at risk at getting serious sick. If we wait until we think we may be exposed to serious illness, like during a disease outbreak, there may not be enough time for the vaccine to work and to receive all the recommended dose, right? This is the main important concern, when should we vaccinated. Further, we are analyzing the manufacturing process of vaccine. When talking about the manufacturing process of vaccine, we select the seed. The seed may be virus and bacteria. After that, the seed must be kept under ideal condition. Usually उसे frozen state में रखा जाता है. इसे स्टोर करते हैं इन स्मॉल ग्लास और प्लास्टिक कंटेनर amounts as small as only 5 to 10 cubic centimeter. मेनली इसे फ्रीज किया जाता है, मेंटेन किया जाता है स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर आफ्टर द मेंटेनिंग ऑल द पैरामीटर्स विच इज required for the growth of bacteria and virus. Then growing phase come and the virus multiply in the proper specific media. Additionally, other factors must be monitored, including pH mixture. pH is a measure of acidity or basicity, measured on a scale from 0 to 14, and the virus must be kept at a defined pH within the cell factory, because the growth of the virus is totally depends on the proper media, and the media of pH is directly proportional to the growth of any type of microorganism. The virus from the cell factory is then separated from the medium and placed into second medium for the additional growth, right? And after that separation process come. When there is sufficient number of virus, they are separated from the beads in one or more way. The broth might to be forced through a filter with opening large enough to allow the virus to pass through but small enough to prevent the beads from passing. The mixer might be centrifuged several times to separate the virus from the beads in a container from which they can then be drawn off. Still, another alternative might be to food the bait mixer with another medium which was the virus of the beads. Selecting the strain. The eventually vaccine will be either made of attenuated, weakened virus or killed virus. The virulence of virus can indicate the choice. Like rabies vaccine is always killed vaccine, right? If the vaccine is attenuated, the virus is usually attenuated before it goes the production process. Carefully select strain are cultured repeatedly in various media, right? Now we have very good point, quality control. Quality control is major concern in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical industry. When we're talking about the quality control of vaccine, to protect both the purity of vaccine and safety of the workers who make and package the vaccine. Condition of laboratory cleanliness are observed throughout the procedure. The procedure according to a standard. All transfer of virus and media are conducted under the sterile condition because the vaccine is directly and indirectly related with systematic circulation, and all instruments used are sterilized in autoclave. Workers perform the procedure wear protective clothing which include disposable gown, gloves, bottle, hair nails, and face mask. The manufacturing rooms themselves are specific air conditioned so that there is minimal number of particles in the air. And after that type of procedure, if we have maintained the quality of any product. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you. Thank you so much.